Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok lag, and also if your TikTok is slow or TikTok is not responding, I'll show you how to fix that on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions around this video, or if you want us to cover another topic in a future video. We'll try to make a video on it within a week. So to fix TikTok lag, the first thing you can do from the TikTok app itself is clicking on me, then clicking on the three dots at the top right corner and just clearing the cache. When you go down, you have cellular data clear cache. That's all you can do. This is the first thing. And then you can also go on data saver and you can enable it, and it says data saver will reduce your cellular data usage or mobile data usage. I think that's what you call it in the USA. Videos may be at lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you're on Wi-Fi. So if you have it on off, on, videos might be slow. So you want to have it on off actually. So then the second thing you can do is go over to general on your iPhone or on your Android device. On Android, you want to go on apps. On iPhone, you want to go to general, then click on iPhone storage. And from there, when it loads up, you want to find TikTok. And as you can see, it has the app size is 200 megabytes, but the documents data is nearly 2 times that, 369 megabytes. So you want to offload the app, which will free up some storage and reset a lot of the data. You can reinstall the app again after, and you want to make sure you have enough storage in your phone in general, because if you don't, you have some issues. You also want to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. So you want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in TikTok, and TikTok, yeah, just type in correctly. And if there's an update function here, update it. And the last thing you can do is go over to your settings on your iPhone device or Android and find TikTok. It should be in A to Z order, so T should be somewhere around the end. And make sure the background app refresh is on, mobile data is on, and that should help in most cases. If this video helped you out, again, give me a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you are new. We're trying to grow the channel as much as we can, and we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're one of the committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.